Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. Today we are going to show you many ideas for your house indoor decoration with lovely plants. Decorating with plants is a wonderful way to bring life and vitality to interiors. There is nothing like lush greenery to brighten up a living space. Plus the positive impact plants have on our health and well-being is well documented. With such a huge variety of indoor plants available, from dainty string of pearls to large bird of paradise plants and indoor trees like figs and citrus, the scope of decorating with plants is endless. Whether you are looking to liven up the kitchen or bring calm to the bedroom, there is a house plant for every room and situation. So before you start decorating, be sure to familiarize yourself with the best indoor plants. To help inspire your plant choices and how to arrange them, we have rounded up an array of botanical home decor ideas along with some tips from the experts. Decorating with plants has becoming hugely popular in recent years as we seek to reconnect with nature and bring its soul-nourishing, calming influence into our homes. Available in a host of shapes, forms, colors, and textures, from large leafy palm to small, shapely cacti, not forgetting flower varieties. Indoor plants make versatile decorating ideas and are used by interior designers as living form of art. Plants have a sculptural quality. They are always changing and have such intricate details and complement every type of decor style. Plants work well in all rooms of the house. For instance, bathroom plants can really enhance its often overlooked room, as well as being beautifully decorative and scented plants bring a wealth of health benefits. Not only can plants help purify the air, the activity of indoor gardening can be extremely mindful, plus carefully positioned feng shui plants are set to increase the flow of positive energy around your home. However, before you leap to fill your home with houseplants, be sure to stay active and pay attention to their care needs first. Different plants have different habits, so choose plants suitable for the area you are decorating and position them in places where they will thrive. Alternatively, for those that are not green-fingered, there is always the option to decorate with flowers. Plus, there are plenty of artificial plants available for an everlasting display. For example, fill your shelves with house plants. Soften partition shelvings. More is more. Layer plants at different heights. Decorate with indoor trees to create a focal point. Place plants on the windows. Arrange plants around the bed. Create a bathroom oasis. Think about the container. Group plants on a table. Brighten up a corner. There are endless ways to create for your room and decorate a room with plants. For maximum impact, layer plants of different shapes and textures, from trailing varieties to big leafy palms, and display them at different heights to create an immersive indoor jungle feeling. Alternatively, select a few statement plants to create focal point within a room. Plants are a brilliant tool for softening living spaces, particularly those with strong angles and architectural features, and look particularly effective incorporated into bookshelf ideas or grouped as part of your mental decor ideas. Remember, plants and greenery will add life to your shelving, so be sure to include them to bring a sense of the outdoors in and help around the space. However, before you decorate a room with plants, the first thing to consider is the environmental needs of your house plants. Do they need plenty of direct sunlight or prefer some we're dark and cool. If this extra care sounds like too much work, fox plants or dried stems like pampas grass and eucalyptus look just as natural and can be homed in styles, vases, and planters. There are many ways to incorporate plants into your living room, from incorporating them into your living room shelving to hanging them as part of your wall decor. Mixing different sizes, styles, and textures affords in complementary colors is a sure way to create an individual style and identity to home space. Groups of these work well in varying heights. If you look a more minimal style, try placing a favorite plant cutting in a propagation container as a feature and enjoy watching it flourishing. So choose an idea from our video and must share that what you have been chosen. So if you like this video and the ideas presented in this video, must share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you.